Hi, my name's Denise and welcome to my crafting room during the lockdown that we're having at the moment, and it's a great opportunity for me to record a video diary and do a few arts and crafts while we're at it. Right, today I'm going to do a little bit of lino printing because I want to make some cards for my family. Right, I've got this template and going to draw around that for our shape. Right, now you've got a line already there, you can go in a little bit deeper and keep gouging it out a little bit more, because you need it a certain depth so that when you do your printing you're actually going to get an imprint. There you go, you can see that it's defined a little bit more now. Okay. Right, what you might like to do is just think of a design that you can put on there. I'm going to just do a simple flower, just going to draw a simple flower. You can do whatever you want, and it doesn't really matter if it's not totally accurate. This is your design, do it as you want. I think I might just gouge these ones out. So here we go, same principle again, just I might take these all the way out. Now for the centerpiece I might do the rest. I'll just do all the rest. That's it. Just take away the little bits that you want. Lino printing can be really good fun. Fun with the ink and the roller. And once you've got your design, you can use it many times. So. Don't worry about it if you make a mistake, because you can always make a mistake into something else. If you're going to do some lino cutting, think of what you can use it for. I mean, I'm just making this because we're in this lockdown at the moment. I thought it'd be quite nice to use the time to experiment and try out new things. All the time when you're doing this, keep your hand away and just keep turning it. Just take your time. Now the centerpiece, I want to take that out a little bit, so I might swap. I don't want people to feel it has to be 100% perfect, because sometimes things, when they're not so perfect, they actually look better. Just the main thing is to keep it simple, because simple designs, there you go, simple designs are often more effective some ones that have very complicated pictures on them. So I'm just deciding now I've made that, I'll make these a little bit deeper so it looks a bit more effective. Right, I've got 4 different colours of printing ink, and this is water based, so it will wash out with water. So, but be careful with your clothes. Don't wear anything that you think you would like not to be spoilt. Okay, so there's all different colours. I always just have the primary colours if I can, because you can make any colour out of these primary colours, and it's quite useful to have a white because you can lighten or darken whatever you want to make. So you can make orange with red and yellow, you can make purple with blue and red, and you can make green with yellow and blue, depending on how much. So if you're not used to mixing colours, have a play with different colours what you want to do. Okay, so I've got my pieces of paper that I want to print on, to do my design on. Okay, just roughly cut these so they're all the same sort of size, and I've got an important roller as well, because you need that for your rolling the paint on. Okay, so we'll be rolling the paint on. Ideally it's good to have 2, but I've only got 1 because they are quite expensive to buy straight away. And I've got an old tray that I'm going to use to be as my roller. Okay, I'm using a palette knife and I'm mixing the colours, the yellow and the red, to get a nice sort of orangey colour, and I wanted to put in a bit of white to lighten it up a bit. And you can also see I've got a sponge there ready to put on the ink. I actually found it was easier to put the ink on with the sponge than it was with the roller. That I didn't have very good prints with the roller, but the sponge was a lot more delicate and you could add a lot more printing colours in. Right, I started to use some different colours in with the mix, like doing a bit of orange and then a bit of yellow, and the result was absolutely stunning. We've got some really nice combinations of colours. We've got like a lovely orangey background with yellow splashes around the side, and it looked really effective. Right, I decided that some of the printing didn't come out quite well, so it's come out a bit shallow and not very defined. So I'm having a go at cutting it a little bit deeper so we can get a better imprint. The good thing about this is if you're not happy with it, you can change it quite easily. And it doesn't matter, you don't make mistakes, you just change it to what you want to do. And the nice thing about doing lino printing, it doesn't have to be exactly perfect. It adds to the charm of doing lino printing. As you can see, I've taken it out a little bit further, so it's a little bit deeper, and hopefully we'll get a better print out of it. I don't think that they're showing up very well, so I'm going to take them out and then just make them a little bit deeper. As you can see, I'm using the cutter to take out larger amounts of the flour, and I decided I needed to change that one to a much deeper one so that I could take out even more, a little bit more quickly as well. I found that making it a lot deeper, the printing quality was really improved, and I went round the edge as well of the shape, so that really helped. And now my tile's ready for printing. Right, I'm just going to try and put two colours together, put a blue and a yellow. And see how this one turns out. Put a dab of blue over first, try and make it a little bit more defined. Go and make sure I cover most of it. That's it evenly as I can. And then I'll put on some yellow. I'm just going to do a little dab in the centre there. Right, let's get the roller. Place our card on top and roll her away. Oh, it's exciting. Let's see what happens here. Oh, that's not too bad. Hello, welcome back to Denise's Art and Craft, and if you were with me last time you saw that I was doing some lino printing. Well, here's to show you how it looks now they've dried. So that was the original lino cut, and that's the picture worked out there. And here's the this one, this Easter egg with the cross, just to show you that one. And here's another one that I did. Where's the lino print gone for that? Ah, here it is. And here's that as well. As you can see on this picture, I have drawn round these flowers, because when I cut it out originally they just looked a bit blobby, but it doesn't matter, because you can just use a pen to draw around and put in whatever you like. Okay, and I thought it came out quite well. So, and here's one that I've put with to make it like a card. So just something simple to show you. Right, now I've got this card here. I just thought I'd show you quickly how to make this one. Okay. And then there's a different design for that as well. I've kept them all with the same theme, because I think sometimes when you do things, the simpler you make it, the nicer it looks. And people appreciate it if you make things. They sort of, yeah, it's much nicer if you make your own things. Okay. Thank you for watching today. I hope you've learnt something new, and you're inspired to have a go at doing some lino printing. As I've shown you, it's really easy to do. You don't have to do anything complicated, and it's good fun as well, and you've got a new hobby here too. I will be doing other projects. My next project will probably be a poppy, and if I work out how to do the lino printing really well, I might try and print it on some fabrics as well. Okay, thank you for watching, and I'll see you again soon. Bye.